Tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Kaspa, ticker symbol KAS, on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, I want you to go to the bottom and press on Explore. Then at the top, go to the search bar, and as I mentioned before, either type in Kaspa or just type in ticker symbol KAS. At the top it says Kaspa, press on that. Once you're on the Kaspa page, just go down to the bottom and press on Buy Kaspa. Then type in the amount of Kaspa you're wanting to buy. So I'll just type in 1250 as an example. And if you have your amount you want to proceed, press on the purple arrow. Then on this page, you can go ahead and check out the amount of Kaspa you're buying, the price of it, the fee, the total. And if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on confirm, and then follow the next steps. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Kaspa on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.